Today we gotta make a chemical reaction experiment called elephant toothpaste. But before we gonna do that, always remember safety first. Safety equipment are gloves, safety goggles or face shield, it will work. And the most important thing is the gown. Now, the first thing we do is put 100 ml hydrogen peroxide in measuring cup. We need the gloves so we don't infected by the chemicals. So now we are pouring the hydrogen peroxide in the measuring cup. Until we reach the 100 ml measure. A little bit more. And we have the now we have the hydrogen peroxide. Since we have hydrogen peroxide now, we need food coloring mix. I'm gonna pour it here. A few drops or 10 or few or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. And the last is the dishwashing soap. Put it here now. Hope it works. And you gotta mix. We need to mix the 3 ingredients together. And be careful not to throw it out. You need to mix it. Mix. And there we go. We have clean green water now. There we go. Next, here, this is our next is water. We need 1 teaspoon of water, 1 tablespoon of water. Oops. There we go. 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of yeast. So we gotta put it here. There we go. And pour into the water and mix. See, there we go. We have now the yeast and the water together. Now we have the experiment bottle where we will put together the water and yeast and the mixed hydrogen peroxide. We're gonna put it here. If you need a funnel, if you have a funnel, it will safety use. And here we go. And here's our hydrogen peroxide. Now let's see what will happen together with our yeast and hydrogen peroxide. Let's see what will happen. Hope it will work. And here we go. If you see the baking soda, the oxygen is pouring up. And there we go. That's our elephant toothpaste. See, look, this is our elephant toothpaste.